Welcome.
Hey Tahir, are you here? Be active or you will be removed. Inactive members are removed each 8 days. Oke, kamu dari mana saja? Dari Medan. Bagaimana bisnismu Tahir? V pagi. I'm hoping things will be a little bit stable here as I got another patient. Then I'll be able to resume learning with you. I miss it here so much. Enjoy learning everyone. Got another patient? Siapa lagi yang sakit, Zen? My mother-in-law, V, so they're both home with us now. I mean, settled.